Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you hide icons on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to hide icons on iPhone or iPad, you need to just long press on the app that you need to hide, just like I'm long pressing on Skype. And after that, in the top first option here you can see remove app. Click on remove app, and after clicking on remove app, the second option you can see remove from home screen. Click on it, and as you can see the Skype app is missing from the home screen. But if you go to your library, you will find the Skype app, and if you don't find the Skype app, you can just search for in the top search bar Skype, and here you can see Skype is here. Just long press on Skype and you can just drag it anywhere you want. And click the top right done. And by this you can just hide icons on iPhone, or you can just back it. So guys, hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.